So here's the concept, guys. Dual cameras. You got one camera with your zoom lens and one camera with your wide angle lens. Relatively wide, not like a fisheye lens, but it's a wide lens. So you see we're focused right here on the table. So I got the zoom lens zoomed in. Let's start recording. So here's the concept. You got your wide angle shot and you got your regular shot. Of course I have to come up with some nice brackets. This is just a viewer was questioning how it all worked together and that he wanted a better understanding or demonstration. I still don't have anything good to shoot. So we're just picking on this static object right here, but you can imagine if you had someone at an event that you were shooting and you wanted to get a wide shot and a tight shot, both of them. Let's see if I can focus on that. Yeah, there you go. So there's a wide shot of the table and the close-up of the table. Now, of course, you can grab and zoom out, and then you've got very similar photographs right there. Let's see. It's hard to shoot straight down. But that's it. That's basically it. Two cameras on one mount. You got wide angle and you got telephoto. I hope this makes it a little bit clearer, a little better demonstration. My other demonstration was just a quick one of zooming on something on the pool. Now, if you had a nice little snap-in mount for the Osmo Pocket that you could slide it in the hot shoe, you'd be good to go. I imagine somebody's going to be making a lot of mounts for this. You can see them on Amazon already. They're going pretty crazy with the mounts, and they're starting to. They will be coming available shortly. And there you have it, guys. Camera on a camera.